This is a remote learning lesson, Chapter 6, Math Lesson 5, first grade for Room 5, Adding and Regrouping. So for today, we will be adding tens within 100, and we will be adding tens within 100. Yes, I said that already. And we're going to be adding two-digit numbers, and we're going to learn how to regroup. And we're doing this because one of our standards for first grade, we need to be able to add numbers, add a two-digit number and another two-digit number. So let's see what we already know. We already know how to add numbers with two digits. So if I have 35 plus 22, first I'm going to add the numbers in the ones column. And we've already done this last week. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. After we add the column, the ones column, we're going to add the numbers in the tens column. In this case, it'll be 3 plus 2 equals 5. And here we have it, 3 plus 2 equals 5. And a nice way to arrange your numbers is to put them on top of each other and line them up by column. So we've got the ones column and the tens column. A review, first we add the numbers in the ones column, and that equals 7. And then we add the numbers in the tens column, and that equals 5. So we know that 35 plus 22 equals 57. Well, that's pretty straightforward. These answers were not bigger than 10. The 7's not bigger than 10, and the 5's not bigger than 10. But sometimes they are. So when those answers become bigger than 10, that's when we need to regroup. All right, so let's try adding 27 and 7. When we regroup, it's because the numbers in the column are too big or they're bigger than 10. So we regroup the number bundles to the next column. So if we look, we put our problem, line up the numbers, the ones column and the tens column. And you'll see we're going to add 7 plus 7 first. And we know that 7 plus 7 is 14. That's a 10 and 4 ones. 14, 1, 10, and 4 ones. So if we add these 7 and this 7, we end up with 14. But look, this makes another group of 10. So we regroup those numbers. That another group of 10 is going to go here in this column. And then if we just look at the ones, we have 4. Okay, we took the 10 and 14 and we put it over here with the 10s. And now we have, let's count the 10s. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Because we had 2 to start with, and we added 1 more from the 14, and that's a 34. That's what regrouping is. Okay, now you're going to watch a few short videos. And then you will practice on your own. Now, let's just take a look at these, and you can come back to the videos after we do these problems together. Here's a 19 plus 7, so let's line them up. Let's put them vertically on top. Line up the 9 and the 7 and the 10 and the 10's place over here. When we know that we have 15 plus 8, we're going to rewrite that like this. 15 plus 8, line up your 1's and then your 10's. And then we have 14 plus 9, line up your 1's and then your 10's. So if you take a look, 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 is 110, and so I'm going to put it over here, and 6 ones. Now I'm going to add the tens column, and I've got 110 from the 16, and a 10 from the 19, and 2 tens makes 20. So 19 plus 7 is 26. Okay, let's try the next one. We have 5 plus 8. If we start at 8, we count up 5 more. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 is 110 and 3 ones. Now let's add the numbers in the tens column. We have 110 from the 13, and we have 110 from the 15. So we have 2 tens, which is 20. So we can see 15 plus 8 is 23. Let's do one more. The ones column has the 4 plus 9. If we start at 9 and we count up by 4, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 is 110 and 3 ones. We put that 10 over here in the tens column. Now let's add the tens. We've got a 10 from the 14 and another 10 from the 13, and 2 tens are 20. So 14 plus 9 is 23. All right, so next you will, after you go ahead and watch the videos, you can practice some problems in Google Classroom. You will be doing the math pages 472, 473, 475, and 476.